Tampa Bay to hear their
NFL
selection.
Draft. The Tampa Bay Buccaneers select Caleb Benenoch, tackle, UCLA.
All right, offensive line help. Lance?
Very athletic player from my home state, Texas, right outside of Houston and Katy, Texas, big powerhouse, high school football. He's a great story in terms of how he came to UCLA and become a football player. But I think what NFL teams are banking on here is that he's got some great traits. Now, you can see right off the snap, very quick, very good movement. I know, Bucky, you've seen him operate. I liked his tape at guard better than at tackle, but he's another player like Connor McGovern who has some position flexibility.
The versatility, being able to play inside and outside, enhances his value. At this point, you're looking for backup players, guys that have the potential to develop into starters. And sometimes you don't know, so you take a chance on a guy who has shown you a lot of tape at a lot of different positions. You bring him in, try and figure out what he does best, put him in that situation, and maybe develops to what you think.